All right, so today we are talking about Stress Blend Fertilizer. Stress Blend is a 7-0-20 analysis, which means 7% nitrogen and 20% potassium. Most of that nitrogen is slow release, got a little ammonium sulfate in there to give you a kick, but the 20% potassium is the real story with this fertilizer. Potassium is great for lawns that are under stress. That can be stress from going in or out of winter, it can be stress from heat and drought, stress from insects or disease. This is what you want to use when the lawn seems to be stressed. Now, we could talk about that for cool season lawns. That's Kentucky bluegrass, perennial ryegrass, turf type tall fescue, and fine fescue. They're going to be under stress like in the summer when it's really, really hot. You'll probably notice your cool season lawn really slows down. It wants to stay green, it wants to try to grow, but it really slows down from the stress of that heat. And that's where Stress Blend comes in to give you some nice green up to keep things healthy but not push major flushes of growth. Now with warm season turf, that's Bermuda, Bahia grass, centipede, St. Augustine grass, zoysia, those grasses, they're gonna wanna be more chill like in the springtime. They kind of ramp up slow. So we give them Stress Blend to bring them out of the winter slowly. The other thing that we have here is a really good complement of micronutrients to support. We've got manganese in here, we've got iron, chelated iron, and we have water-soluble magnesium and zinc, which are also excellent to support lawns that are under stress. Now, one thing I do want to point out as well is, just like all Yard Mastery fertilizers, this fertilizer is spiked with Bionite. Bionite is our all-natural additive that we put in there to help feed the microbes in the soil and increase carbon. You can think of Bionite like the Florida version of Milorganite, and that is in every single bag. Now this blend here comes in two sizes. We have an 18-pound bag that covers 6,000 square feet and a 45-pound bag that covers 15,000 square feet. So make sure you pick up the one that's gonna work best for you. And as always, I wanna thank you for supporting Yard Mastery and American small business. I'll see you in the lawn.